Yo, yo, yo. What up, 828 Hoon Squad? I'll explain that to y'all in a little bit why we changed the name. Well, it's very simple. Changed the name because I'm not going to be BMWs my entire life. You know, that's not going to be my only build. So I wanted to go with something more generic, you know? What you got to say, Cowie? Huh? Got something to say? She's so big now. Can't remember the last time you guys saw her. She's probably like 20 pounds. Small little girl. Now she's like 60 something. She's getting big. But today is a video I know my whole group of friends have been waiting for. Troy is finally getting his motor in. Or he's not getting his motor in, he's purchased a motor. So we are gonna start swapping the 335i. I don't know if anybody's seen it. I don't know if I've showed anybody. I don't know if anybody watches Troy's channel, but I'm gonna go pick up the trailer right now, and then we're gonna go load his 335i up and bring it to my shop because I'm gonna help him out on it. I'm sure it's you know, he doesn't work on cars much, so I'm sure it's gonna be very difficult for him. So, you know, it's always better than a helping hand. I gotta go over here to my dad's house and get his trailer. Then we're gonna run over to Troy's and pick up the 335. And here's the beaut. She is sexy. I gotta get my windows blacked out. The back have scratch marks on it from where the dogs tore them up, so, you know, gotta get that done. But, all right, I'm rolling over to my father's house, picking up the trailer, and then I will see you guys at Troy's. So, see ya in 0.2 seconds. All right, we're all loaded up. Troy, we're coming for you, bro. Has anybody ever seen Chewbacca that's in a dog? Here, I got you. It's my boy Bentley. Oh, you can't see. Can you see? Come here. He's blind. He can't hear. He's a little dog and he's 13 years old. Usually gets bad around those times, but he looks exactly like Chewbacca. We'll have Troy zoom in on his face. All right, guys, here she is. There's Troy. Say what up.
What's up, guys?
So this is his 335i that he owned for approximately 1 month, and then it started to knock. So now he's getting him a new motor. We're gonna change this bitch out. Ooh, look at that red interior. That white on red, hardest one to find. That's why I bought it. Trying to be the coolest one in the squad.
So this will happen now. So because we can't open the door, he gonna have to go through the trunk because we don't want to keep the windows down. Hey, e-brake.
Got it.
We don't want to keep the windows down because the rain has been on and off.
Here I come.
Here comes the fucking weasel.
It's squeezing the fart right now. All right, guys, so we just stopped by Harbor Freight for the 4th time to try to get a damn workbench. But story of my life, they don't seem to have any. Told me they'd have some more in a few weeks. That's what the last guy told me, and that was like a month ago. So I guess I'm just not ever gonna be able to buy a damn workbench. But we got Troy's car back there. Might just roll some coal on it, you know. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, eat it, eat it, eat it. Oh. It's the only time I'm gonna be able to roll coal on it. He's faster than me. This little truck can't keep up with it, so I gotta take my chances while he's down. You know what I'm saying? All right, well, we're about to be to the shop. We're gonna put this bad girl in there, and I think we're gonna start on it tomorrow. I'm hoping this is gonna work out well. I don't know, I've never changed one of these. I'm hoping that I can just take the wiring harness straight out of the computer and just yank the motor out so I don't have to touch the wiring until I get it out. But we'll see. Story of my life. Nothing's ever easy, so it'll be a learning process for us all. So we'll see you in a second. Guys, we got her here. About ready to back her down. Troy looks a little bit nervous. It looks like he's sweating a little bit. Back end hopped over a little bit on this side, so it's she's kind of tight. I think if you back it straight down, you'd be fine. Yeah, you have to turn the wheel a little bit this way. That way. Just a tiny bit. Just go slow, put the e-brake down. Is it moving? It's stuck on this thing right here. Let me give her a little push. All right. Hold on, let me come in the back. Hold on. All right, bring her slow. Slow. Oh yeah, you good. Come on. You good. All right, let go. Let go of the brake. Stuck. Knock, knock. Knock, knock. Who's there? Yeah, back it in. You want me to? All right, here. Better hurry up before this bitch blows. Then we're gonna have some bad turbos.
Yeah.
God, you're short as shit.
Bro, this shit looks so good.
Got a good sweat on today. Yeah, we're gonna jack this up. This will be the end of this part of the video. We're gonna be back tomorrow. We're gonna start on it. But we're gonna tag Troy's channel on this. He might be doing some videos. I don't know. He might have to bring his vlog as well. All right, Troy.
It's today, guys. Finally
We're back today. We're gonna have this motor out in one day. Think it's possible?
Yeah.
You do?
Yeah.
You don't seem like you think it's possible.
It's possible.
What about you, Najee?
It's doable.
You gonna pick this thing right up?
Yeah, I'm just gonna take it out, throw it out there.
All right, we're gonna start moving on this thing. We'll be back in a second. All right, guys, so here we are. Got the headlights off, the bumper off. Now we're working on draining the coolant and the oil. Got all the plastic pieces off. I'm trying to get the, draining the oil. I'm trying to get the fan off right now. And then once I get the fan off, I'm gonna take off the intercooler piping, and then we can start taking off this front clip. I wanna keep everything in pieces if I can. Just take off the radiator support and then yank it all out at once, hopefully. But I'll come back in a few minutes with an update. All right, guys. You want to know the totally illegal way to get rid of your AC, whatever it's called, Freon? It's this right here. It's very illegal, by the way. Very bad for the ozone. But you gotta do what you gotta do.
Should they even be inhaling that shit, though?
Hard work and dedication.
Yep. Anybody want to buy this thing right here? How much you want, Corey?
1,500.
1,500?
2,800.
2,800, yeah. It has a turbo on it. You just gotta finish it. It's like all the way down there.
This right here.
Probably can't see it. And it has the intercooler for it. He was building it, but he gave up. He said, fuck it.
Taking off your AC lines so you can take the front clip off.
Hey guys, I'm doing work too, alright? Look at my hands. My hands get dirty too. I do work.
Alright guys, a quick update. We just got the front clip off. Having a little bit of trouble seeing shit with these bad boys on.
ECU's out. Just gotta get this wiring harness figured out, and then we'll be good. That's it.
Oh, real shit though, we getting close.
Yeah.
I can zoom in with these bad boys. I can catch a bolt. Like, I can see that fucker from like a mile away. All right, guys, we're back.
Damn, bro.
Well, they can't really tell anything different.
Yeah, we just ate food. Alex.
Chick-fil-A.
Yeah, Chick-fil-A, you know.
The drive shaft off.
Sponsor.
The transmission mount and the shifter off. And what else?
That's it.
Sure, we're forgetting something. We'll figure out once we start ripping the bitch out.
But it's getting there. It's like close.
Trying to get the drive shaft off right now. We just undid the down pipes. It was literally the hardest part of this thing. These motherfuckers were stuck. Not no more though.
Yeah, so what we got going on here is we're taking the engine out, but obviously it's a Beamer, so it doesn't want to come out. So maybe think twice before getting a Beamer. But you know, have some problems here and there. But we have a real mechanic here. His name's Corey Beliles. Belittles. Whatever his last name is. Obviously, you can tell he never works on BMWs.
What?
So we wrapped it around the downpipes.
Come to do it that way, nigga.
We're supposed to be leaving the downpipes in.
Oh yeah, that's what happened.
Amateurs. You know, I got a little 325i. Nothing too crazy, nothing too special. You hear that?
That shit misfront like a motherfucker.
Just a little 335 or a 325.
Sounds like a fucking tractor.
Yeah, man.
I don't know how many times I gotta tell these homeless bastards to get off my steps. Yo, yo.
Yo, what's up, bro?
What up, bro? Alright, guys, so we're back. Had to get the homeless man a ride. Get him off my doorstep. He's asking me for money, but little does he know I'm broke as a junk. But yesterday, we got hung up on a few fuel lines. We ended up just giving up for the night. We were tired. I got cut a few times. Said, fuck it, I'm ready to go home. But now we are on the way to Advanced Auto. And we're gonna get some stuff, and then we're gonna be right back at it again. He was supposed to get in a motor today, but it got in and they ended up finding out it had a blown head gasket and one of the turbos on it was bad. So they're gonna get another one shipped to us with lower miles for the same price, right? So I guess that works out better for us. Gives us a full day to get the bitch out, which I don't think it'll take us long, but story of my life. You know, that's how it usually goes. You don't think it's gonna take long, but then you're gonna be there until 12 a.m. But I think maybe one of the problems is, well, we didn't have the fuel line off, and I think the cats may have been holding it up. So I don't know, we're gonna have to see. So here's how we're looking today. We got stuck on a gas line that was right down here. I did not know how to remove it. I had to look up a video when I got home last night. So we found out how to remove that. And the only other problem is his, turn this off real quick, you can't hear shit. His downpipe bolts, you can't really tell, but they are rusted, and it was just stripping when I was turning them. So I got a grinder and I got a drill, because we're not going to use the downpipes. He's gonna, or not downpipes, cats. He's gonna put on downpipes while we got the engine out, because that job is a bitch to do. So we figured we'll do them while the motor's out. But yeah, what you think, Troy?
Let's fucking get it, bro.
Yeah, he's just gonna sit around and watch me for the rest of the day. Maybe paint some stuff every once in a while. Give me some motivational speeches. Tell me I'm doing great. Tell me how sexy I look.
Come on, bro.
Alright, we'll see y'all in a bit. Tell them what we did, Troy. You know everything, right?
Yeah, we yanked it out.
So we had to cut off 2 of the downpipe bolts, and then one of them came off freely. That was it. It was basically the cats that were just holding it on. And then we have a fuel line, and then the power steering rack, and that's it, right? I don't know if we did anything else. I took off the intake.
And then
I showed up.
Yeah, and then Najee showed up to finish it off.
Yep, I sure did.
So, you know, we're vibing. She's in, she's out. Not in, I wish she was in. Real dirty. Well, we did it.
Yeah.
A day later. 4 YouTube videos later.
It took
For
like
YouTube
5 hours
videos.
in total, which isn't bad at all.
Not for our first time, though.
Yeah. Some people take days.
Train is down.
What is this for?
This is grill. Repainting it. I gotta forget a picture of it.
What is that? Oh my god. There's no engine in there. What happened?
She looking nice. I did a good job on this. And it ain't even done yet.